Hey friends, how to fix DSAP can't run on your PC? Simple, follow these steps. First of all, drag your mouse to search box and type here system information, and simple click on open and check your system run on 32 or 64 bit. Here you can see the 64 bit, and now simple close this window. If you download any software but when you try to install it but showing this error, so I suggest you download again this software. For example, here you can see the BSDC download. Simple click on this link, and here you can see the two options are showing 64 or 34 bits. Select your PC accordingly. So my PC run on 64 bit, so I click on this option 64 bit. After complete this downloading process, simple click on install option and your installation will be success. Now move on to the next method is click on window icon and simple open settings. Now go to update and security. Now scroll down little bit. Here you can see the for developer option, just click on it, and here you can see the developer mode option, just click on it and just click on yes. And now go to the Windows security option. Here you can see the option, just click on it, and here you can see the app and browser control, just click on it. Now simple turn off this option. Here you can see the check apps and files, simple click on turn off option. Now here you can see the successfully turned off. Simple close this window. Now check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, after finishing downloading your apps or software, just right click on it. Here you can see the properties option, just click on it. Now select the compatibility option and select the run this program and compatibility mode. Simple select on this and select your latest software version. For example, system run on Windows 8. Just select this option and just click on run this program as administrator and just click on apply, then click on OK, and simple close this window and reboot your system. And after rebooting, just try your software install. Your installation process is successfully completed without any problem. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Do subscribe and like this video. So yeah guys.